Yo, what's going on? Excuse me. Excuse me. Whoops. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. What a fucking dump. What a dump. What a dump, guys. I'm so mad about it, though. Who's in here? Anyway, someone just came in here. I like to keep the door closed now to try to drown myself out some more. All right, let's fucking get in here. Let's make sure I'm logged into everything. Nasty dump. You know what's crazy? I drew a fucking tan line. We broke the fucking tan line and dropped like fucking 400 points. Amazing. Why didn't I just honor that? Where do I have it? Where's my tan line? Oh, here it is. I'll show you guys everything in a second. I will show you guys what I'm cooking up in a second. All right. All right. Okay. What Leo wants, Leo gets. Okay. What are you looking for?
The charger for the computer.
For which one?
The silver one.
Right there.
There's a supervisor position at my store right next to me.
You gonna take it?
Hell yeah, I'm trying to apply right now. I can't find my good resume.
Oh, why don't you use your crazy computer that you have?
I don't have a resume on it.
Oh.
So I'm looking through all the computers for my last one.
Wouldn't it be like in your Google account? Oh, you should put it on like a Google Doc.
Yeah.
So
it's the one that I used to apply for this position a couple months ago.
Okay.
I gotta be the first one. I gotta go now.
Yeah. All right. Good. Supervisor position has become available at the store she works at, the Starbucks that she works at. My firstborn, who's about to fucking turn 20. Fucking crazy. I remember when she used to fucking be so pissed off as a toddler that she would go in the corner when she was in timeout, take off her clothes and pee all over the floor. The one who was just talking to me. Did I say that out loud? Yeah, that really happened. On more than one occasion. She would have the look like Rick James grinding his feet in Eddie Murphy's couch. It was the same look. I swear, guys. All right, so check this out. You guys want to see something cool? You want to see something cool? Huh? 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 I literally just activated these. I got caught in a dump and it just kept dumping and it wouldn't come back. I wasn't even in a heavy, but I just let it die. I literally just activated these. So whatever I end up passing next time around, it might be a while before I could actually trade them. Needless to say, I'm not happy with this, but what can I do? It's over now, but I have to show you guys because I show you guys everything. I'm not one of those other guys some of you may have seen that don't show you shit other than what they want you to see. You see everything here. I fucking blew that, but I got some 150Ks here because I'm fucking annoyed. And I literally, first of all, watch this, chat. Why is my dog barking? Look at this shit. A few points away here, here. Even less points here, and then it fucking goes. It literally just misses it. It literally just fucking misses it right here, like 2 points, and then it drops, and then I fucking add. I add right here. I added. I was in heavy. We're fucking playing half or smash. So I fucking add right here. I add again as down here, and fucking it pops. I literally top tick. I did the fucking top ticking. This time. Look at that shit. How many points did it drop after that? Was that like a news thing? That was 100 points. Right there, I got out and it fucking dumped 100 points. I got to lose $150 though. So what I got to do is go into this fucking ZB, and it's $35 a round trip. Let's do 3. Let's do 3. All right, let's do one more. 4505 MNQ. Whoa, man. Oh, fucking right on the fucking money. What a day. And then I'll show you some other shit because it was a theme today, like me being a greedy fucking pig. This is how my day started though. I traded these one at a time. These are my trade days. My trade day evaluations. So that's cool. 2 of them are legacy end of days, and then one of them is the new account, quick pay intraday. That's this one right here. It was a rebuild that came through. And then I traded my Tradeify accounts. This is my fucking funded growth account that I had that I hit the daily low summit on twice. I was up $880 in realized gains today. I'll show you in case anyone doesn't believe me. I don't know why you wouldn't believe me at this point. Is it going to not show it? Oh, I don't know if it's going to show it. Yeah, here it is. So literally 245, 460. What is that? $705. And then I tried to fucking get more, and I gave back money, gave back 170, and then got back 380. So 380 minus 170 is 210. So I had like 800. Oh, I thought it was 880. It was 8 something, 825, 830. And then I gave back it, and then I fucking blew it. Why didn't I? All because I was just trying to be a greedy fucking get more. All I had to do was just stop trading up $800. But what's interesting is I was in short. All I had to do was hold the trade. All I had to do was just hold the first fucking trade. That's it. And then I started things, and then I got shaken out and I started getting cute. And that's when I got into trouble. And then the same thing almost fucking happened with this one. This is my other growth account that I just got yesterday. Now I'm 2 days in, but I got over $1,000. But the same thing kept happening. I got up like $500, tried to add more, then I was in trouble. Then I got a little bit more, then I gave some back. And then finally I got what I wanted, but damn. And then I blew another fucking select account and got another one and got that one up $1,236. Do I need to lose money on that shit? I think I need to lose money on this. 1236. 3,000 divided by 0.4 times 0.4, right? The selects have this. Hold on. Tradeify. By the way, my code 0DayJ works at Tradeify in case you wanted to support the channel. I'll say hello to everybody in just a second. I'm just going through all this shit now. Pricing. I just want to go to the rules. 50K select. %, consistency. So I made a little bit too much. I got to give back $36. Did I lock myself out already though? I don't even think I can. I think I locked myself out. Oh no, I didn't. All right, cool. Let's lose $36 right now. Oddly enough, you can't do the ZB thing with Tradeify. Did I fucking turn off my risk settings? Let's see. I did. All right, cool. Let's go back. Let's do it with some fucking micros, okay? All right. Buy, sell. Wait, I'm not in the right account. Fuck! Select. Buy, sell. Buy, sell, buy. Buy, sell. Buy, sell. Uh-oh. Buy, sell. What you doing?
I'm trying to help Jordan.
Oh. Buy, sell. 1201.96. That's close enough. Now I'm going to lock myself out so I don't do anything stupid. Did enough dumb shit today. Didn't I? All right. So that's that. You saw everything. And guess what? I am no longer in cooldown with my funded futures. So what I did was I took advantage of their 50% off deal, which I believe might be ending today, guys. 50% off any size builder, pro, or rapid account. You get 2 uses. The 2 youths. 2 uses. So I grabbed a rapid and I grabbed a pro just for shits and giggles. Although the pros could be really good fucking accounts if you can hold on to them. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it. What do I got to get to pass that shit? Let me see. Start a challenge. Pro 50K. Okay, used to have, yeah, I only need 3,000 to pass. And there's a 50% consistency rule. Used to be able to pass in one day, but they gave you 4,000 as a target. But we're good. We're good. By the way, use my code 0DayJ to take advantage of this offer. Okay? Great. Thanks, chat. Now, let's see what we could do here. They are both end of day accounts on the eval side, so I might as well trade them together because why not? So that's what we're going to do. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. Manage groups. Oof. The oof group. Actually, I'm going to change the name of the group. Cool down D's nuts. That's better, right, guys? The cool down D's nuts group. Now we're good. Okay. Oh, and there's no more restrictions on gold with fucking on fucking my fund the futures, right? Maybe I should fucking relocate to gold for a little bit. I don't know. NQ kind of pissed me off. Look at that 707 bounce. Look at that on the 4 hour. Happy little 707 bounce for what? 4025, 600 ticks. Who's out here though? Let me say hi. Let me say hi. Hello. Hey guys. Hey you guys. I'm so mad right now. I'm not even mad. I'm just like, some of the shit I do is just fucking, it just cracks me up. I don't know what else to do but laugh. All I could do is laugh. We are laughing. We are laughing. We are laughing. Oh shit, it's fucking going. Who could see that? I'm scared to fucking get in here because of this resistance here. I'm scared. No! Turn the fucking group on called Cool Down D's Nuts. Let's see. Does it just want to go lower? Was this because I think this was because of all the fucking the tariff news that came out? Uh-oh. See, this is what I was worried about, guys. We'll see what happens though. You know what I do know? If I blow them, I'll just buy new ones. Hope nobody has a problem with that. Hope that's okay with you guys. We all know people like to fucking, some people like to cry about it. Little fucking crybaby bitches. Anyway. Tommy, who's out here? Hold on. Who the fuck is out here? This is the area that I'm a little concerned about, guys. Who's out here, guys? Just being Brian. TJP, TTA. Oh yeah, I know it was a 786 sell-off. TTA. It wicked over it. Kenny. But you know me, I love going against what I see. Although I took a lot of shorts and did well with them. Kenny, Investors, just ain't right. Broseph, biggest day ever, 7,400 single NQ trade. Great fucking job, bro. Broseph, a milli, just ain't right. Mwah. Tony Gold. I don't know about that. I don't know if it's game over because LeBron joined the 76ers. It just makes him even less of the fucking GOAT. It just makes you even less of a GOAT when you just jump on another fucking team. What do I need? 1,500 divided by 40. 37.5 points. So is there 37.5 points in this? No. See, looks at this was the spot. This was the fucking spot I was worried about. Sure enough, that's where we're having some trouble here. 48 and 37. That's 48. That's 85, 50, 86. 86, guys. Can we hit 86? Maybe. It's actually at the bottom of this cuck. It might happen, guys. I don't need 86.25. I need 86 even. We all know what's going to happen, though. It's going to get like right here. You got this fucking wick is going to be a little piece of shit here. It's going to get right here, or it's going to get right here, and it's going to reject. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's going to do it sooner. Who else is out here? Elevated Life. Michael Giannos. Yo, I gave you a Elevated Life. I gave you a whatchamacallit so you could hang out in the Discord. I signed a role for you. So you're good if you want to. NJ. Michael Giannos. Florida Boss Man. A milli. Tony Gold. Holy Earth. Marcine. iTrade. Titus. How's my process lately? Profitable. Investors. Ash, what up? Vinny Lee. Day Trader Cut. J Min. Tommy. Hope I'm all right. Yeah, I'm great, bro. So I fucked up prop firm accounts. I woke up this morning. I'm feeling the love in my house. My kids are fucking in perfect health and they're great. What more can I ask for? I blew a fucking prop firm account. Whoop-de fucking do. Guess what? I'm going to blow more. Jonathan Trentwell. Trump's talking right now? Fuck that guy. Gian Rich. What up? Trading on tilt. Marcos. Trending World. Trump is up. Yeah, of course he's up. Trading Star. Mikey. Nah, Pro is not 4K anymore, bro. It used to be. Look. I don't know if you saw. Look. Pro. Evaluation rules. Profit target 3K. It used to be that. You also used to be able to pass it in one day. You also used to be able to trade as many as 5 minis. Give it to me, you fuck. What did I say? I said this was the spot, guys. What did I fucking say? Can we go through it? Carbo Night. Tim Morgan. Just my style. They gave you 20. There's 25K Bob the Builders with 2K drawdown. Motherfucker! Hey, we fucking did it, Joe! Clinvale, Miss K, Nayo, Greg, what up? John Q. Yo, laughing yoga? Bro, I do yoga every day. Every fucking day. Trader Adoob. I've been for like the last 2 months. You see, guys? All right, well, it's been a pleasure. No, I'm going to get more. Don't worry. I'm going to get more accounts. Don't worry. We're going to get some more fucking accounts. Alfred. It's Trading Star. You like that shit? My group name? Sean, what up? Is that Yassine? I see? Guys. It is. I knew it. I fucking knew it. I looked anyway just to make sure. Maximus, Canute. Yeah, bro. It's the worst. It's the worst. Sean, it's the fucking worst. Blowing an account and then tilting harder and fucking more shit up. TJP. Literally from Cuck Zone to Cuck Zone. Carbonite, 1000%. Vincenzo. They cut. They don't have that anymore, bro. They don't have it. They don't have those anymore. Otherwise, I'd be doing that with it. I'd be trying to with right now. I have one right here. I can't do it. This is a pro. One of these is a pro and one of these is a rapid. Otherwise, I would be going for it. I would have went heavier, obviously. You guys want to see me do the? You guys want to see me do the happy baby? And then we'll have the camera zoom in on my pelvic area. Vincenzo, PJ. Yassine's back on a hot streak. Pika Nasharika. You see, guys? I train. You see, guys? Now what? Interesting spot for a rejection. Watch this, guys. Damn, right off the 786. Now, can it go higher? Probably, maybe, potentially, if the bottom is in. I gotta lose. Actually, I don't need to lose anything because they're not super strict with their consistency rules. They give you a little bit of leeway, just like Lucid. So we're good here. But if you notice, my funded futures does not use Trade of 8 prop, so I can't lock myself out of these accounts. I just gotta fucking make sure I don't have any open orders anywhere. Right, guys? So that's that. I want to see something with my Apex account. Where? How do I buy the account? I'm curious to how I'm supposed to buy, like, because I could buy an account. I don't know how it works. I don't. Maybe I have to wait for them to reach out to me. Because I could buy one of those whatchamacallit accounts. You know, the one where you have to trade to live. This shit. The second chance eval the live thing. I'm more than willing to do that. I just don't know when they're gonna hit me up about it, or if I got to reach out to them. How hard can it be? What can I get? What can I buy? What can I buy? Monica. Felix, what up? I thought you could only have one builder account. One funded builder account. I'm looking at the 25K right now. Max drawdown 1,000. I think you're talking about the 50K, bro. I don't know. I don't know. For traders who want big payout caps, I'll show you my big payout cap. Oh! Who does Lucid use for payouts, Ash? Played. Plaid, played. Just like Take Profit Trader. But then I don't know what that's domestic. That's in the US. They might use work market for overseas. If they're doing overseas, they might use work market because that's what they use to pay affiliates. So I'm not sure. Yeah, just my style. Yeah, which is fine, bro. You have the choice on the 50Ks. You have the choice of $1,500 a drawdown or 2,000. I'm pretty sure the one I took for 5 payouts before they pushed me live was I went with the $1,500 a drawdown because I'm cheap. Work market is right. There you go. Olivier, no, it's gone. I blew it. But I did learn something about Apex Lives. Even if you're at the buffer, the safety net of $3,100, they still let you go negative 3,000. So I literally had $6,100 or $6,300 a drawdown, and I went through all of it. Yeah, it's okay. I got some money. Chevy Flames, frugal, yeah. It's just so I could buy more accounts. All right, so look at that. It is holding there. Look, guys, that 786 fucking held for 50 points already. Holy fuck, guys. That's right, GCTA. Nah, Apex still loves me. They still love me. They just don't love me enough to let me trade sim funded like PW, Alpine, and Nutty. They made an example of me. Cut, maybe. I don't know, bro. Honestly, I thought my account was cooked. So then I went in heavy to try to get it back. And I got fucked. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know what was going through my head. Clearly, I blacked out because I could trade so responsibly. And then there's other times when I trade like a dumb fuck. What happened to Top Step? I don't know. What happened to Top Step? I don't even pay attention to them. Unless it's to make fun of fucking Dakota because he sucks at boxing. Jonathan Trentwell. And I don't know if he sucks at boxing. But it looks like when he does box, any clips I've ever seen him, it looks like he's got fucking bricks in his fucking shoes. He's got bricks for shoes. And he hides his fucking balances. Hey, yo, Josh, what up? All right, I'm going to get an account somewhere. Should I get another fucking Traded Fee account or another My Funded Futures account? Or both? The only thing about My Funded Futures is I'm going to wait for a new promotion. Because I can't. What? Oh. Oh, what do you know? 707. 707, dog. They should have called the rapid plan the rabbit plan. I fucking missed the bounce. Fuck. God damn it. Well, at least I'm not paying. At least I didn't pay full time this time. Full price this time, like I did on one of my. It's actually the one I passed, but that's besides the point. I fucking missed it. How many points? 39. 39 points. That would have been enough. That would have been more than enough. 3,000 divided by 80. Actually, yeah, it would have been just enough. Fuck! Oh, whoops, wrong account. Wrong prop firm. 68. 68 over here. Over here. Over here. Over here. Almost a base. Yeah, look at that. 707 bounce, 707 pull with rejection, 786 rejection here from this high and this fucking low, and this fucking low and this fucking high. We got a fucking 707 right here. And then from this high and this fucking low right here, we got a 707 bounce. Investors, yeah, bro. Raider, Sanyel. Yo, I know they did. Alfred. I also it's also Crystal, what's up? Quang, what up? It's an ode to Ed Bassmaster. You know, would you just look at it? He laughed like that in that bit. He was like, fucking shit is hilarious. Yeah, just for the fun of it, investors. I blew 5 take profit pros about an hour ago just for shits and giggles. It was so much fun. iTrades missed that 786 up. My bad, bro. My bad. But yeah, Sanyel, I'm with you. But you know what? Hey, whatever. It is what it is. I'm in fucking micros. Get the fuck out of here. Now I'm in fucking minis. Can't wait. Can't wait. Probably should wait. You know, I'm worried. You know what the MOC candle might do? It might just fucking dump this even lower. We'll see, though. Guess what? You know what'll happen? I'll just get another fucking account. Corey, what up? Yeah, bro. It's fucking wild. You're still waiting? I would hit up. I don't know, man. I would hit up support. You might have done that already. I'd be like, hey, did you do everything? You signed the POA with NinjaTrader. You signed all their agreements and all that shit. You did the ID verification. It's Corey. Yeah, it's fucking rough. Today was rough. Although some might say today was easy, right? You had this fucking Look at this. We broke the fucking tan line. Look, I meant to show this to you guys before. Where is it? Where's my fucking tan line? Oh, it's not on here. Oh, it's on the NQ. Where's my fucking tan line, chat? Oh, here it is. Finally found it. Look, here's the tan line. This was after we hit it. This was the lower day. Here's the tan line. Then we broke the tan line. And from there, once we broke it, we're talking, basically 900. We dropped almost 700 fucking points. Right? Just fucking stay in the trade, guys. How hard can it be? Come on, guys. Uh-oh. Does this want to make new lows? Watch this, chat. I'm just saying. I'm just fucking saying. I mean, look at that. This was a 786 rejection. This was a 786 rejection. 707 bounce, 707 rejection. It's just fucking crazy, guys. But I won't get a 786 bounce here. But I'm going to fucking put the order in for shits and giggles. Oh, it just missed filling me. Oh, what? Oh, I forgot about the fucking daily loss limit. How fucking stupid. I just got fucked by the stupid daily loss limit. Fuck that. I forgot about that shit. I'm going to fucking miss it. I'm going to fucking miss it. Stupid fucking daily loss limit. Just so you know, guys, the growth accounts have a daily loss limit. Don't worry. We'll just do it again. Pya! Anyone want to fucking cry about me buying more accounts? Anyone want to fuck? I say it every time because like one fucking guy cried about it who's no longer with us. Yo, if I hit the daily loss limit again on this, I'm going to fucking throw something. No, I'm not. I throw a piece of paper. I'll make it into a paper airplane. Yo, fuck this shit. How hard can it be? Just go short at the 786 twice here. How many points was this drop? So far, 65. How many points was this drop? 304, 225, 80 points. And counting. He didn't die, but he's dead to me. What up, Pawn? Brandy Allen. Just a little crybaby fucking bitch is all he was. Giving me shit about buying accounts when you got other guys buying fucking 3, 5, 15 times as many accounts as I do. Like, fuck you. Dips and Peaks, what up? Earnings today? Nothing. It's Friday. Marcos. Fuck him is right. What the? Oh. 36 and 75 is You think it's going to come up here? I don't think so. I wish I went in heavier. We'll see. Maybe it will. So I got bottom ticked on the other account. That's what it feels like. This one right here, 68. Pretty much. Look. I got fucking bottom ticked just about. Went down, what, 5 or 6 more points? Motherfucker. That's not it. Keep pushing. Oh. Wrong way. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just get a little fucking higher. Just get a little higher than this. Just break this. I don't think it's going to. See, if I would have went in with all 4, 36, I would have had it. It went up 40-something points. I just needed 37.5. Put a stop in. Come on, son. Tim Morgan, exactly, bro. You just passed 20 Apex account number 20. Damn, bro. How are you not live? Hey, can somebody look at his account, please? Nice, Pawn. That's smart. That's like a good use of it's a good fucking way to fucking make the most of the time that you spend in doing the other thing. Does this have a push in it? Into the close? Yeah, I mean, yeah. If you, I mean, I was only joking, bro. I hope you can stay on Sim forever, bro. For reals. Who spent 100K to make 20K? But shit. It's if you're running a business, and I would spend 100K to profit 20K every fucking day of the week if I could. I'm still netting 20K. Do the math on that. If you're doing that every fucking day of the year. I don't give a fuck how much money I spend. 20,000 times 365. Obviously, we're not getting that when you trade. Is $7.3 million in profit. Sign me the fuck up for that. Tim Morgan, you had 4 to 5 accounts at a time on the death row capital. Yeah, I know. Cut. You know what though, bro? Maybe it could have also fucking went down and fucking went lower. No one knows for sure what would have happened. Yeah, of course. If I would have added, it would have fucking done for sure, without a doubt. Yeah, Tim. I mean, it's not. I think it's a mindset thing with the live accounts, man. But the fills are different. It's not the same. If you put a fucking order in on the chart, it will come and take you out if you're trailing. If you have a trailing stop, if you put a stop loss in, it will fucking come for it. It will. Just enough to blow the exactly cut. You know the deal. You see how many times have you seen it happen to me? It's all this fucking noise I hear in my house. Next fucking candle. Come on. I don't know if it's going to do it. It's going to go down or up. Push. Hey, what's another 40 points for a motherfucker like me? Nope, it doesn't want to. Good thing I didn't add. 786. Amazing. Fucking amazing. Amazing. I thought it was going to push. I thought it was going to push through this shit. Maybe it still will. We still got time. 26 seconds. Does it want the low of the VWAP band? Is that the low of the VWAP band? That's not the low of the VWAP band. Maybe it still will want it. Give it to me. Alfred. Warren G. Buffett just asked the same question. Come on, get a little higher. Push higher than this shit. Please. Oh, push higher than this. You piece of shit. You fuck. What's another 16 points? How hard can it be to get another 16 points, guys? I need more coffee. Ryan, tell him. Tell Granny to drop her fucking drawer. Tell her to take those teeth out. We want to see the gums. Let's see those gums. Oh, please. Come on, baby. Oh, it's so fucking close. Give it to me. You fuck. What's another 8 points? It hit this fucking shit and rejected. You fuck. It's got more. It's got more. It's got more. It's got more, guys. It's got more, guys. You think so? You think we get it? 15. Let's see what the 15-second chart looks like. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no, don't do that. Let's go. Yeah. Yo, it literally rejected right off the same spot. Come on, push through that shit. That ain't shit. Push through this bullshit. Nope, ain't happening. I don't think it's going to happen. There's the 1 second chart. Look at that. Nope, ain't happening. Where's my average fill? It's way down here. Fucking piece of shit. It couldn't go up 8 more fucking points. Couldn't go up 8 more points. This is the 1 second chart, by the way, guys, in case you were wondering. Literally every second, a new candle comes. That shit's fucking funny looking. I'm fucking pissed though, because I was 8 points away. I thought for sure it was gonna make its way a little fucking higher. All right, let's go back to the minute chart so I could fucking get back my sanity. I had it though. It was right fucking there. It was right fucking there. It literally rejected off the same exact spot. So it was basically a retest of the 786 from the low a day and this high. Watch, guys. Look, see, 786. 786. I know. What's another 8 fucking points the way this shit is moving? JP, am I good? Why wouldn't I be? Who gives a fuck if I blew accounts? It's just another day. Blackout, what up? Sideways in a range in a fucking 90-point range. I need coffee. I need fucking coffee. Coach Fred, what up? Eight fucking points, right? That's, how hard can it be? How hard can it be? Is this just going to come all the way back down? That'd be annoying. What up, Drew? Yo, Drew, I'm going to be fucking, not that I give a fuck if it does, because I'm not, it's intraday trailing. It's end of day trailing, whatever. We'll just do it again next session. But of course, it would come 8 points from my take profit. And it's because I was being conservative. If I would have went full port, I would have had it. What up, Doom Lord? Yo, Drew, I'm going to be playing baseball. It's going to be 111 on Sunday. Honest take. Who knows, man? Ask fucking Barron. Barron will tell you what it was. He's writing a book right now. How I banked with my daddy as the president. Yo, Gary, you want to get in the best fucking Discord and it's still free for now? Here's the fucking link. It's free for now. Here's the link. Baron from Top Step. I thought his name was Aaron. I thought it was Baron. It's Aaron. A 4.5 bath house in 3 days. Oh, God. Replumbed it? Simplistic. What up? How's my trading been? Mahmood. What happened to my Lucid Live account? I blew that shit like fucking 2 weeks ago. Last week. Being a dumb fuck. I literally had over $3,000 in equity. All I needed to do was stop trading. I could have requested 1,000 and still had 2,000 left over. And I didn't. And instead, of course, I gave it all back. Not my worst fuck up in the last 2 weeks. ICT joining the affiliate space. Yeah, Mahmood. You know what's crazy? I am literally I'm over 14,000 in payouts this month. I'm literally I'm mostly one or two good habits away from just constantly doing $25,000, $30,000, $50,000 a month. Every fucking month. 1 or 2 good habits. And every day in every way I get better and better at this shit. And I'm forming the good habits right now as we speak, guys. It doesn't matter what happened today or yesterday. It doesn't matter. The habits are forming as we speak. The good ones will override the bad ones. I don't have any bad habits when I trade. It just is what it is. But I can tell you one thing, 1 or 2 fucking habits away. Remember that. That goes for all of us. Goes for every single one of us. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. I'm so fucking annoyed about this. So close. So fucking close. So close, chat. We'll just let that shit fucking play out. I don't want to add here. I don't, who the fuck knows what's going to happen. Especially with these motherfuckers and this bullshit headlines. Trump concludes remarks in Oval Office. Trump, the other tariff way is easier, but we have many forms. Trump on Saudi nuclear deal. I'm not going to do the deal if Saudi Arabia doesn't join accords. China is getting very big in nuclear energy. Hedge funds most negative Canada dollar since August 24th. I'm in no hurry over Iran despite what's said of the election. Saudi vessel. NCC massa targeted in Red Sea suffers minor hull damage. Trump, I haven't made a decision on major strikes on Iran. I think Iran getting more serious in talks as days go by. I think we'll put a big tariff on Canada for smoke because of the wildfires. I trust Xi and Putin on their word on Iran. I don't know what Russia and China are enabling Iran. I don't think Russia or China want to be disappointed. You would never bomb fucking Russia or China. Trump acts about an Iran exit strategy. There are a lot of them. By the way, if you want to hang out in the best fucking community on these platform streets, that's free for now. Here's the link. Is that what you think, Mahmood? I wish it was that easy, bro. I wish it was that simple. Mostly it's because of fucking greed. And I think I see something because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. I'll be feeling myself because I'm fucking winning and winning and winning. And I think I'll see something or I'll get annoyed. Or I will get it. What has happened in the past is I'll get annoyed because all I had to do was hold, but I get shaken out. You get financial juice free with Trade Day? I didn't know that. It's okay, Mahmood. I'm profitable overall. I'm profitable this month. I'm profitable by a lot this year. I was profitable last month. I was profitable as fuck in January and February. It is what it is. A lot of people could say a lot of things about my trading, but a lot of those people can't say that they're profitable. So, whatever. We're all on a fucking journey. How long have I been trading futures? Yo, V33, what up? Crystal, I've been trading futures specifically and exclusively with prop firms since like September, the end of September, beginning of October 2023, I believe. Yeah. So many people, I mean, at the time I wasn't profitable when Top Step used to be on my my jock. Did I say that? It was a Freudian slip and had me on their shit every week for like 3 months straight. People always cried about my trading in the chat. What the fuck is going on? My dog is trying to break the door down to get in here. People, so many people in the chat cried about how I traded. Hold on, Luna. You're going to scratch all the paint off the door. Yo, you good? There she is. Anyway, they cried so much. And then even Paytech, the last time I was on, Paytech was on with me and Cove. We were actually on there together. And he didn't like my trading style. I never got invited back. I think it's mostly because I say his name is Paytech, even though it's Patak. But I will never call him Patak. And then right after that happened, I got put on not because of the appearance, but I did get put in the focus trader program with Top Step and whatchamacallit. They then I just never traded with them again. And then since that happened, I've probably fucking made, holy shit. I think I've made over $200,000 in payouts since then. Easily. I'd have to do the math, but easily. Yeah, definitely, almost definitely. So, whatever. I don't need anybody to like how I trade. I don't give a fuck. Most of the time, the people that have something to say and cry about my trading are unprofitable traders themselves. But that's besides the point. I need to get more coffee though. I need that. Need that coffee. Hey.
Green Valley.
There's a 12.45.
Oh man, is my take profit gonna get hit, guys? Oh, hey guys, my take profit might get hit.
12:45 where? Okay, nobody answered. I'm gonna just leave that there.
There's 2 people on it.
You guys talking about movies?
Boulder to the, I don't even remember Boulder to the.
Well, I'm
Boulder
trying to
to
give you
the
some
other
options.
side of the goddamn town.
I'm trying to give you some options. You said you can't swing for 12.45.
I said that's 40 miles the other direction.
She told me she couldn't swing for
I know,
12.45. I'm trying to give her some options.
I
Because you don't want to see that. You don't want to see it in the calendar. Because then it just defeats the.
Clearly, you don't want to see it back out. Yeah.
Who's going?
Well, it's for her birthday.
Oh,
Feel like it'll make you.
Oh my goodness.
too bad I didn't double up on my position here, guys. This shit would be past now.
I'm gonna put your.
Are you talking? Yeah,
You're going in the garage. Yeah. We were supposed to bring one. But yeah, there's another one.
Oh, is it gonna do it? Oh my god, we retesting this 786 for the third time, and they're gonna.
Julie, can you get me the
Reject off of
handheld vacuum thing?
Oh my god, guys.
Where is it?
In the laundry room?
Go! Go! Go!
A lot of commotion down there, huh? Hey, Pen. Is it going to push? Are we going to hit this take profit and then get a funded account a few minutes later and then trade that? Is that what's going to happen right now, guys? Can we just fucking hit it already? Let's go. Pay me what you owe me. Well, I was Gary. I took a little detour. I don't know why I went in the bathroom because I was still talking about some shit, and I knew people were downstairs talking as well. Carlos, what up? This is a Tradeify growth. Why the fuck are my dogs barking now? Anyway, oh my fucking god, are you kidding me? How hard can it be to get less than 4 points? Please! JC, what up? Psychic. How many funded accounts do I have with Tradeify? I had 2. Well, I had 2, now I have 1. I might have a second one right now. The funded ones start with an F. You see this? Oh shit, hold on. Let's see if this gets hit. Come on! Oh my fucking god! If it starts with an F, that's how you know it's funded. Blew this one even though I was up over $800 like a fucking idiot. In realized gains, it wasn't even like I was in a trade. Hit it! Oh my fucking god! Guys. All the time. Every fucking time. This happens to me so often. I think it's gonna push through though. I think it's gonna push through. I think the problem is this wick right here. There it is. There it is. You see, guys. I was fine. See, I told you I didn't need to add. I knew that was gonna happen, guys. I don't know where Tyler is. What'd you say? Your butthole was clenching so hard? D-Walk, what up? $2 away? Raphael, my cam angle. Why? You want to see my handsome face? You see, guys. You see, guys. All right, I got to. Is this the account? Is this the account? Here's my account. Let's see if I can upgrade this shit. Hold on a sec. I gotta log in. One sec. I'm gonna activate this fucker right now and fucking full port it. Just kidding. Maybe. Maybe not. I gotta wait. It's gonna be a couple of minutes. Because look, it took like yesterday, it took like 3 or 4 minutes. What the fuck is wrong with this dog? Why you gotta be clawing at the door like that, psycho? Anyway, all I hear is she's trying. She knows how to turn the knob. I got the handle. She knows how to do it, but when she doesn't get it, she's like scratching at the door. Am I screen on? I don't know what her deal is. Yeah, see, it'll say upgrade. It'll say upgrade in a couple of minutes. But after that, I only have like 22 minutes to fucking trade. But we're gonna fucking do it, guys. Do I prefer growth accounts over select? Not necessarily. But I could pass growth in one day, and I did it for the stream. I don't know what I prefer. I know the select gives you the option, the ability to get paid every single day, and I like that. Just my style. You know what I'm saying? I want to fund the select account because of the potential. So like, look, select, funded rules, payout frequency daily. If you go with the daily option, you could get as much as $1,000 a day per account, I guess. I think you could have as many as 500 accounts with them. No consistency rule, but there's a daily loss limit on the daily payout account. So they make it harder. The flex is 5 days. The flex max payout 3,000 in 5 days. Actually pretty good. I want to see what that is. Select, not selecty. Select, flex, and daily payout policy. All right, here we go. 5 days, traditional milestone payout. 5-day payout policy. Maximum, no, I don't care about that. Payout structure. Up to 50% of your total profit. So if you wanted to get 3,000, it's just like a Lucid Flex, a fucking XFA. If you wanted to get the max payout of 3,000, you would have to grow it to 6,000. That's asking a lot. Now on the daily, how does the daily work? The daily payout uses the buffer. So the $2,100 buffer and then $3,100 will make me able to request 1,000. What's the minimum request? A daily continuity rule. To be eligible for a payout on any day, they may request up to 2 times the profit earned between each payout request. Minimum payout $250. Example: a trader with a 50K account has a balance of $3,500 and earned $250 in profit since their last payout. 2 times $250 is $500. I mean, that sounds. All this is confusing. This is a little confusing. I'll worry about that shit when I get there. Cool. Let's see. I should be able to activate this fucker now. Oh, is it not going to let me? I think it will. It took like 5 minutes the last time. It took like 5 minutes, but see, I hit the target. What are we doing? Oh, I went even higher. It went to the top of this shit. You see, guys, it went higher, guys. I mean, look, it took basically the whole fucking stream, but we did, after hitting the low a day, we did go up 120 points. Trading Star. What is the white colored reset button? That means if I want to reset the account. I don't know why you would, on a blown account, this isn't even blown. I hit the daily loss limit. That was before I traded the other one. It's just a reset button, just like all the other firms. Cut, yeah, not bad. I like this other account that I have, this funded growth account, right? I got $1,000 today, and I'm at $1,500. I'm going for 3,000 on this. I need 3 more days. I need to get $150 a day, obviously, but how hard can it be to get $1,500 more dollars? Actually, I need $1,475. I don't even care if it happens in 3 days, but I'm going to try. Andri, what up? I have not traded with them, but I am aware of them. They also give you the ability to get paid daily, but some of their accounts are not the greatest in just terms of how they're structured and their pricing and how much drawdown you get and shit like that. How does a growth account work? Simplistic. It's very familiar. It's very similar to a. Is this the help page? Yeah. It's very similar to like a Lucid Flex growth. There's a daily loss limit on the growth evaluations. They might even be on the funded accounts too. You need 3 on a 50K. You could pass in 1 day. There's no consistency rule on the evals. I don't think there's a consistency rule on the funded account either. Oh wait, there is. My bad. Yeah. 35% consistency rule on the funded account. So on any given day, if you're going for the max payout on the 50K account, which you need to get to 3,000 to take out 1,500. 3,000 times 0.35. 1,050. You don't want to, unless you don't mind growing the account more. But that's the magic number. Minimum balance needed to request a payout: 3,000, 1,500, depending on the account size. 4,500 on a 100K, 6,500 on a 150K. They have like these, $150, they have the minimum profit, but you got to grow the account so big, like you're going to do that anyway. 5 days or more. Maximum payout request. Here are the payout tiers. So on a 50K, 1,500, it starts at 1,500, and after the fourth payout and beyond is 3,000. 25Ks are 1,000 every time. The 150K start at 2,500 and go up to 5,000, after the fourth payout, or after the third payout, basically. 100Ks are 4,000, 2,000 to 4,000. I don't know. It's just like most other firms. It's very similar. There is a daily loss limit of $1,250 or some shit like that. It's a 90-10 split. You could have as many as 5 of these growth accounts. Any combination of growth select or lightning funded, which are their straight to funded. So I have a little mishmash of growth, and let's see if I could activate this fucker right now. Come on. It might not let me until after the fucking after the market closes, which is fine. Obviously, it's not that big of a deal. But I have a little mishmash here. I got 3 growths and 1 select. This is blown. I might get another select. I wanted to get a payout. I'm like loading up on accounts before anything even happens. Yeah, no problem. I can't trade with Lucid for like another week or two. I'm on a cooldown. I just got out of my cooldown with my fund the futures, and I pushed a pro and a rapid evaluation 1500, and I did it for the stream. Didn't we do this for the stream? We did do this for the stream, didn't we? Right here, money. Crouton, what up? 375 before the close. It depends on what happens here. If this level right here holds a support, I don't know, man. It's asking a lot, but I mean, I've seen bigger moves at this time. The next level would be probably around here, 356, 360. The bogus focus programs. Yeah. Rick, yeah. I'm with you, bro. I mean, we're running out of time. We're running out of time. It literally came up to this right here and rejected off of that same level. But, it didn't look that great here when it rejected off this 786 again. And then all of a sudden it fucking curls up and goes higher and hits my take profit. So who the fuck knows? Only Barron Trump knows. There we go. Activate funded. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's see. Where is it? Where's my fucking account? Baron Tate. What are my thoughts on what up, K9? What are my thoughts on my fund the future rapid accounts? Love them. However, where is my account, bro? Activation in progress, guys. Oh, it's still creating the account. Your account creation is in progress, guys. One thing I noticed, and I know I'm not the only one who noticed this, is the intraday trailing is literally working against you on each trade. So you could lose $500 a drawdown. You could lose you could go up 500. It's weird. I've seen this happen in my account. I would have like $1,500 a drawdown. So I would go up like 1,000, lose 500, and I would have $1,500 a drawdown. I would give back 500, have $1,500 a drawdown. Then I'd get in another trade, go up like $300 and give that 300 back. And I would lose another $300 a drawdown. That'd be down to like 1,200. It feels like it's working against you a lot more aggressively than on any other intraday trailing I've ever traded. So just keep that in mind. Keep an eye on it. But it's a good account. I've gotten paid on them. It's another, you can't get paid every single day on that shit. Got to clear the buffer, all that, the usual shit. But like, if you like those type of accounts, the paid daily ones, the daily pay accounts, it's just another firm that you could do it with if you want to load up on them. My dream is to have as many of those as possible, but actually hold on to them and get paid every single day. Imagine getting a daily payout from fucking like 13 accounts every fucking day. And it's even if it's $300 or $500 times 13, that's $6,500. It's a worthy goal. Oh, it's not going to give me the account. You fuck. They're watching. Yeah, Kanon, I can tell you one thing. I'm pretty sure that the 50% off deal, it's good until the end of the month. I thought it was today. All right, we got time. I thought it was today for some reason. You could get 50% off any size and any type of my fund the future. Well, any size, rapid, builder, and pro. 50% off up to 2 uses until the end of the month with the best code. So if you want to load up on Rapids, I mean, you won't be able to load up, but you'll be able to get 2 accounts for half off. That's a good deal. It's a great deal. Fallacy, what up? How do I fight with tilt? Oh, no, I have this problem. I just don't like to talk about it, although I talk about it all the time. Crystal, with Lucid on the cooldown, no, I have to buy. Watch. When I go into my Lucid account, watch this. I don't know if I'm logged in. I might have to. Yeah, hold on. I got to log in. Hang out a sec. But no, in terms on if I'm saying, I don't even know if I'm saying your name right. Andri. I tried. I deal with tilt all the time. It's just something that we're gonna have to deal with. This is I mean, I literally I pissed through $6,300 of drawdown on my Apex Live account. That's how tilt got the best of me the other day. You know, so it is what it is. I'm just log into my Lucid. But watch what happens when I log into Lucid. I'm gonna show you in a second. All right. This is what I see anytime I log in. The default screen, it always shows me this. I could buy it pushes it makes me the only thing I could buy, and I can't even trade right now. I don't even know why I would buy it now. But I could buy are these max accounts, these max evals. And then when I pass them, then I think I get a live account again. But there's only so many live accounts I'll be able to have. Like so many times I'll be able to do this. So I gotta be smart. Yeah, everybody deals with tilt. Everybody. Even Warren G. Buffett. You got a D-Walk. Oh my God, bro. Good shit, man. Who told you Rapids suck? Stephen Cox, what up? Yeah, the Rapids are great, man. Just be careful. Trail tight. Smaller size. I don't know. Be careful because it's intraday trailing. Will I hold 3 minis over the weekend? Can't do it on any of these prop firm accounts. Yeah, no problem. Do you walk good shit, man? Would love to see it. I don't know if Tradeify is going to give me this shit. They're not giving it to me. You motherfucker! I want my fucking account! It's not giving it to me. That's disappointing. Size doesn't matter. It's how you throw the hammer at the nail. Yeah, Nate. See, it depends on who you talk to. Nate thinks he loves them because the profit split is 90-10 versus 80-20. Nate, have you noticed that the trailing drawdown works against you a lot more aggressively on a My Fund the Futures funded rapid than, let's say, a take profit trader? I don't know if it's greed. Simply, it could be. You know when it's greed? When you end up fucking the account up because of it. But if you have a hard fucking number and you hit it and then you trade more, maybe it is greed because you had a rule and you broke it just to try to get a little bit more. If anything, do it on another account if we're talking about prop firm trading. Yeah, Nate, just let me know because I'm pretty fucking sure I've seen it happen to me and a few other guys, a few other traders have noticed it as well. Who hang out with the DGen fam. After 2 uses, it's 20% off. Are you talking about My Fund the Futures? It's 20% off. I wish it was 40% off. Because I wanted to buy more, but it went to 20%. And I was like, you know what? I'll wait. But I feel like this time around, because I can trade in sim again with My Fund the Futures, I feel like I want to try to make the most of my sim funded, my ability to trade sim funded. I fucked up. I kind of fucked up because I got 5 payouts on the builder account and they pushed me live right away. I don't know if that would have happened, but I'm curious to see, like, if I start getting a lot of payouts on any of these accounts, or even if it's not these and the next ones I buy or whatever, will I get pushed live quick? Yeah, it's two uses, 50% off. Builder, Pro, or Rapid. We're talking about My Fund the Futures until the end of the month. After that, it goes back to like the 20% off. But it depends, because like some of these other accounts, if you go to promotions, like you go back to 20% on the Rapid. What the fuck is this 300K shit? Where is that? What is that? Where's the button? You guys saw that, right? What the fuck is this? Oh, I think that's just the name of the code. Don't use these codes. These are the in-house codes. Fuck these codes. Remember, the best fucking code is tradeday J. Right here. But I think I don't know. I think it's 20% off. I don't know about the builder plans. Let me see. I'm going to try to get a builder plan right now. I'm not going to buy it because I don't want it. Yeah, Just My Style was right in some regard. It's 40% off a builder plan after you use the 50% off coupon, because that's just their existing promo. Beyond this two use deal, the pros are 30% off after you use your 2 uses of 50% off, and then the rapids are 20% off after you use your 2 uses. So it depends on the account. I just went and looked. And then the flexes are like 10% off. They don't want you buying the flexes. They give me my fucking account or what? They're not giving it to me. They might have like some sort of rule or some programming built in that if an account gets activated after 4:30, that they won't give it to the trader until the next session. So that's fine. I passed another fucking eval. We did it for the stream. I took these fucking halfway. That's cool. I fucked up this one, whatever. I think I got bottom ticked on it. What did I get? 068. What happened? Pretty much. Look, literally, look. That's why I fucking grabbed another account and went long, because I fucking knew. Look, right here. I got taken out right here at 232. It went down 8 more points. Less than 8 points, 7.5 points, and then fucking pumped 105. I could have passed another growth if I didn't get fucking bottom ticked. It's because I added. If I didn't add, I would have been fine. Or I added at the wrong spot. You see, guys? Be good, Crystal. Thanks for hanging out. Coach Eddie, what up? Yeah, the promo code is. I thought that was like an account. Alfred. Fuck that code. World Cup tournament, what about it? Yeah, GB, yeah, guys. What's the best Tradeify eval? They gave me 50% coupon and 80 for placing. Damn, bro. Good shit. I don't know, man. If you're... Weren't you just asking about Rapids? What up, Josh? You got 1 payout and you were pushed live? What the fuck? How many payouts did you get before that, though? That's what happened to me with Lucid. I got a bunch of payouts and then didn't get shit for literally almost 4 months. I got one payout. I got my first payout. I was 1 week away from it being 4 months before I got, since my last payout, I got a payout and they pushed me live. But stock, cards, and bets. Which one of the My Fund the Future 50% sale accounts do you recommend? Clinvale, not today, because I gotta bounce soon. It depends on your style and your trading goals. I would say Builder or Rapid. I got a pro and a Rapid. I did very well with the Builder. You could only have one funded Builder though. So if you want to get a Builder, they're on the easier side to get a payout on. You can only have one funded Builder. But I don't know, I like the Rapids. But if you don't like intraday trailing, stay away from the Rapids. Because the funded accounts are intraday. Look at this shit going back up. Fucking crazy. That's 25 points, guys. We dropped from 30 to fucking 84. That was like 45 points. And now we're up fucking 25. JP, the only code uses Tory J. Yeah, the Bob the Builder accounts, they're good. I mean, look, where's this shit? I took it for 5 payouts. The crazy thing is, the craziest part about it is I fucking, here are 5 payouts. I didn't take max payouts, but there they are. Oh no, I took 6. Did I take 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5. 5 payouts. The first day I had the Bob the Builder account, I hit the daily loss limit. And I only had the one with the $1,500 of drawdown. And then after that, I fucking went on a rampage, obviously. From June 3rd to June 25th, I got 5 payouts. Obviously, this is before fees. Is it? Actually, no, this is what I got paid. This is what I got paid. So it was actually more money. I requested more than that, but this is what I got. You know what I mean? After fees and shit. Pretty cool. And then they put me live. And I was cruising, and then I fucked it up. Simplistic. Thank you. What's funny is, like, I went 6 weeks without getting a payout, and these were the first payouts I got. And they were all from My Fund the Futures. And then I got something else somewhere else. I forgot what I did. I forgot where else I got a payout. I don't remember. In June. But it was tough. It's a tough little stretch, but I feel like I'm back. I have a couple of habits I'm in the middle of forming. I'm forming some new habits. And I think once these habits are formed, because every day in every way I'm getting better and better, especially with my trading, I will take the next step in my evolution as a trader. It's coming. Yeah, no problem, Star Cards. No problem, Star Cards and bets. It really just depends on, like, and I never really answered your question though, bro. Let me go to their accounts. I don't know what the best account to buy is. If you could get 50% off, maybe, I don't know, maybe, I don't, no. That's what I want to see. Like, it doesn't, you get 50% off. I mean, I don't know what size you want to fuck with. The selects are cool because you have the option to do a daily payout option, and you have the option of with end of day drawdown too. Daily with end of day drawdown. But the max you could take is $1,000. But it's end of day no matter what. They have a daily loss limit on that. Or you could go the flex route, and it's like a Lucid Flex account. So that's a pretty cool account. The growths are cool too. I just passed one. The thing I like about the growths is you could pass in one day and then get that first day in. So that's why I went with that, especially because, like, I was streaming. I wanted to do it for the stream, all that shit. We made it happen. Got the job done. And then the Lightning are the instant funded ones, but like $492, $248 for a 50K straight to funded account. That's expensive. Unless you go maybe with a 25K, but I don't like 25Ks at most prop firms now because they only give you $1,000 of drawdown. Although Apex gave you they brought back the legacy accounts. You could get any legacy account like 90% off. You could get a 25K legacy account. Obviously, there's an activation fee, but the 25K legacy Apex accounts have $1,500 of drawdown. Those are actually really good accounts now. They were always good accounts, but now knowing that every prop firm, including Apex, on their current offerings or their new offerings, only offer $1,000 of drawdown on a 25K, those become more attractive. But then again, the 50K is a 2,500. The activation fee on all those legacy account is on any size is $125. So keep that in mind. But they also have an all-in, I think, the 100K now? Dude, I was looking at this before. I think the all-in price, no activation fee, 100K intraday all-in is $59. You don't need to buy a 5-pack. On the 50K, the 50Ks used to be 49. Now they're 79. They were 49. The 150Ks are those are up there. 25Ks. So the new deal, the 59 for 100K account. But they also had the legacy too. They brought the legacies back. $16.70. $19.70 for the 50Ks. It's pretty fucking crazy. The 150Ks are $50. The 250Ks are $60. The 300Ks are $70. All right, Luna, hold the fuck on. Now you want to go out. Now you want to leave the room. But anyway, Carlos, Alley Cat, what's up? Yeah, the Take Profit Trader. The Take Profit Trader is still $1,500 of drawdown. I love Take Profit Trader. You know who else gives you $1,500 of drawdown on a 25K? bulenox. Yeah, stock cars and bets. You were asking about Tradeify. I remember, yeah. So like I was saying, I mean, select a growth. I mean, either one. You can't go wrong with either one. You could pass the growth in one day. The select, you could pass in as little as 3 days because they have a 40% consistency rule on the eval side. I don't think there's not a consistency rule on the funded side of select. This might be the best one. And it'll only cost you like a few dollars more. 50K, and I'm just assuming you like the 50Ks. So I'm talking about those. 165, it's 82.50. 82.50 with your special coupon that you got for a select, a 50K select, or 72.50 for a 50K growth. For everybody else, it's 40% off as many as 5 times, I believe, with the best code tradeday, then it's 30% off. Anyway, guys, I'm going to bounce. I got to take care of some shit. Any of those Apex end of day? Yeah, all the new ones, not all of them, but the new Apex accounts are end of day. Obviously, the legacy accounts have always been intraday, but you have end of day. You have the end of day option with or without an activation fee. All in $99 on a 25K, all in $119 on a 50K, $159 on a 100K, 150Ks or $249 with the best code tradeday. You can buy end of day, no activation fee 5-packs on the 25s and 50s. That makes it a little cheaper, but that's up to you. Once again, I do not recommend 25Ks with any prop firm that only offers $1,000 of drawdown. I don't recommend it. $1,000 of drawdown fucking could come, especially with the way this shit's been moving. Stock cars and bets, yeah, exactly. It's Chris Daly. It's really, in terms of which is bets, it's always a matter of preference. It really depends on your style and your trading style, and if you like end of day drawdown versus intraday and all that type of shit. Yeah, all in 100K for $59 is not bad. Yeah, 3K in drawdown. The 100 that used to be the decoy on the legacy accounts. It used to be like no one bought that shit on when they were legacy. Now it's a good account. iTrade knows. iTrade likes to select based on his experience. I like to select too. I got one. I've been having trouble passing it. I'll keep having that $1,200 day because I'm doing like just trying to get it over with as quickly as possible. And then something stupid happens the next day. So maybe I just gotta like the next day, if I go up $600 or $700, maybe just take it and call it a day. Yeah, people like select. But hey, I have 2 growth funded accounts because I passed them in one day, and one of them is halfway to a payout. So I don't know. It's all a matter of preference. I do like the select though. Probably because you could get a higher payout, but like if you want to get the max payout on a select, on a 50K select, you got to get $6,000 in profit to get your 3,000. Coach Singh, what up? End of day is the way. And that's what Tradeify offers with all of their accounts. Yeah, they changed it around. Yeah. They made it a little harder. They made you have to get more money. So anyway, guys, if you want to use the best fucking code to support the channel, it will work at Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, bulenox, My Funded Futures, Lucid, or Trade Day. Otherwise, what's up with my code? I don't know. Is my code not working? My code's working at Tradeify, if that's what you're asking. At least it should be. It was. But my code, yeah, it's good now. Yep, it's active. Yep, 0 Day J works for Tradeify. 0 Day J gets you 40% off Tradeify. Yep, we're good. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna bounce. I gotta go. About to go somewhere with my wife and one of my daughters. I appreciate you guys for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. I'll be on for Power Hour on Monday, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Hopefully, I'll see you there. If I don't, I'll see you next time. Oh, join the Discord, by the way. Join the best community on these platform streets while it's free for now. All right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.